Yeah, family. So I'm gonna proceed now to start frying off some of my breadfruit. These are small. The breadfruits were like, I would say small breadfruits, and that's why the slices are like this, but I don't mind. And they are turned. They feel a little bit jelly in my hand because they are turned. And when I say turn, you all family, it means that they were almost ripe. Jamaican would understand when I say when it's turned. Maybe you other foreigners, you don't understand. But when I say it's turned, it means that it was almost ripe. They were ripe. They were almost ripe. So we have them in there, and we're gonna fry them off. And when they come out, we're gonna put them on sit them on our paper towel to drain. And mind you, I'm not gonna fry all because not everybody wants all fry off. So you have some people when they fry off, they fry and they make it crispy and brown. I don't like it like that. I just fry it just to a minimal like this. This is how I just fry it. Almost like this to this. So as soon as it reaches this, I turn it over. I don't want them frying off. Some people like them fry off crispy and like chips. Really, I don't like it like that. And who I'm doing it for, they don't like it like that either. So as soon as they go in, let me use a shorter fork, family, but I can angle myself better, you all. So as soon as they go in, when you have a smaller fork, you can angle your hands better, if you notice. So we're turning them over, flipping them over. So that when we roast it and frying them off, it don't take long. So you want to get it looking something like this, especially zoom right in on it, make them see. You want it to get in something looking like this. And as soon as the other side comes like this, you're ready to go. And family, right over here, I want to show you, zoom right in. This is the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. This is the real deal Scotch bonnet pepper. Mr. them not show some things say Scotch bonnet pepper. And the Scotch bonnet them, I don't know about them. There are some little common pepper them. This is the real deal Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. And look, we have these two. I'm not sure if they are Scotch bonnet, they are brown, but listen to me. They are wicked on the Scotch bonnet pepper, them better than the Scotch bonnet. I don't know the direct name, but they are really hot, like super, maybe about 5 times hotter than the Scotch bonnet. But me have to have them in a family because I love the pepper. Right back over here. So yes, family, as I was telling you, I don't want it. If you want it to get it browner than this, you can go ahead. Right? This is how I get it done. And it's nice because just a little crispiness on the outside, and inside is as soft as ever and good to go. Sometimes you might have to turn it on the back depending on the shape of the slice. Like this one, you see right there. So you're going to have to turn it on the back a little, and the same as this one. So that's it. So we're going to fry off some more. Yeah. And family, as me tell you, use your hands, because your pot, your breadfruit, your kitchen, your breakfast. So I think this will do the job for the frying off ones. Let me get these out. I see some people when they're eating it like this, they proceed to sprinkle a little salt. I really don't know why, because me is not a salty person, so I don't really sprinkle the salt to give them a shot. So this is what you have in it look like when you fry it off, as opposed to when it's not fried off. Fried off, just simply roast. Okay. Let me get these out of the way. You know I don't have a big kitchen, family, so space is always an issue. Now I have my dough here, and I tell you, I'm gonna do for you some fried roti. Let me turn this down. That's what I want to do. I want to proceed for roll out one of my roti, and please don't nobody laugh at me. Don't laugh at me, y'all. Oops, camera girl, let's be careful right here. Don't laugh at me, because as I tell you, I am not an expert at roti. I'm just trying, you know. So I want to get one of my roti roll out here, show you how I do my roti when I do it sometimes, you know, but I don't know if I'm going to share that part right there with you when I do it, because I'm not a roti person. I'm going to show you how I proceed to fry it off. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to break a piece, a reasonable piece of my dough, because I want a big round roti. Because I have to be riding and whistling, you know, family. Get in and then. You know the ride and whistle thing. So we're going to try roll out a little roti here, so. So as me tell you, know, please do not criticize me. Because I'm no expert at roti. The Indians, they are the ones that are expert. Hold on, family. Let me get out my rest of breadfruit. And I don't want them come burn up. Okay, even this one is too brown. Some people like it brown like this or even browner. When you do it and you get it so it get dried out, it dries out on the inside. And you really not enjoy your breadfruit. Okay? Alright, so we have a plate to fry off. And we have the ones that are not fried off. Let me get this out the way. So I'm just showing you as we go along. Alright. Let me lower my flame a bit. Because I'm going to do the roti in that very, very wok. And you know, you who are new to my channel, this is, I name my pots, some of them. This is my wok and this is Joe. Okay, let us proceed now to get ourselves into what probably is not our thing. But we're still going to try. So, now I need a sharp knife. Where is my knife? Okay. So, I need a sharp knife. And this is what I do. I take out some triangles. Your knife, like a pastry knife family you use. This is not a pastry knife. It's really not sharp. I have a little thing inside my pot here. Let me take it out. So, I'm going to fry off my roti then. Coming back over here. I don't know if this I want a triangle, you know. I don't know what it look like, you know, but that is how I do my roti most of the times. So, I get another little one. This is just my thing, you know, family. But when you do it like this, it's nice. So, I fry off my roti them. So, it doesn't take long. They don't take long when you fry them off. And as they go along, you will see how they come up. They don't take long. So, coming back right over here. And I'm going to get this part of the dough in two. Because I need two more rotis. Get my flame up so you fry it on a high heat, family. Because it's not something that takes long. So you notice they're bubbling up. They're coming up with this. Yeah, so meanwhile those are doing, we're going to roll off two more, the rest of the half. And we want some more flour on our board. Okay. So this is what it looks like, family. See there, and I don't want to get it too brown. So when you turn it, you just press it to the side. Because the bubble up, you know, baking powder, sorry, is in there. So this is what it looks like. Fried roti. I remember my first video on YouTube. Not the intro, I did the ackee and saltfish. I'd served it up with fried roti. So this is my fried roti board. So next, when you see me, I'll finish roll off my doughs. Finish fry off my roti, and you see me with my stack of roast and fry over breadfruit right here. Give them a shot. So me with my stack of roast fry over, just roast and slice. So next when we come back, you see me with my stack of fried off roti to add to that, and then we'll proceed to fix up my ackee and stuff. And we're going to dish up, and we are gonna, you know what we're going to do? We're gonna heat. So family,